Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to watch live channels, sports and real-time broadcast, Prime Video offers a live TV experience through built-in streams and channel subscriptions all in one place. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to access live TV on Prime Video in 2026, simple and clear. So first thing first you have to know is live TV is available via live section plus channels. Some content is included, others require subscription. It works on mobile, web, and smart TVs. Okay, so live TV means a mix of free plus paid channels. Okay, so first thing, open Prime Video, like launch Prime Video, whether you are using PC or phone. Okay, so go to home screen, be ready to explore, go to live TV section, like look for TV section or live and upcoming or channels. Okay, so tap or click it, you will see live streams and schedules. Browse live content like live sports, events, new channels, entertainment streams, content updates in real time. So select a channel or event, like tap a live stream, it opens the live player. Check access. Okay, if it's included with Prime, it's free. If like channel required, means subscription needed. Okay, so always verify before watching. So after that, start watching, like tap watch live. Stream begins instantly. Use live controls, so pause or rewind if supported. Switch channels, enable subtitles. Features vary by stream. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how to access live TV on Prime Video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.